Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Spring is here, which means it's time to shake off the winter grime and give our cars the deep clean they deserve. It's easier than you think to achieve professional-looking results right in your driveway. And today I'm going to show you how. We're going to cover the top 5 essential tips for at-home car valeting to help you spring into shine. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, this video has something for everyone. We're going to break down each step, explaining the why behind the how so you can understand exactly what makes a difference. So grab your supplies and let's get started. Alright, step 1 is crucial, and that's giving your car a thorough rinse, and I mean thorough. We want to get rid of all that loose dirt, dust, pollen and grime that's accumulated over the winter months. This step is super important because you don't want to grind any of that dirt into your paint when you start washing. Trust me, that's a recipe for scratches. Use a jet setting on your hose nozzle if you have one, or just increase the water pressure for maximum cleaning power. Make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies around the mirrors, behind the wheels, under the door handles, everywhere. Remember, a clean car starts with a good rinse. Now that your car is rinsed, let's get it soapy. For this step, ditch the dish soap and grab a dedicated car wash shampoo. Car wash shampoos are specially formulated to break down dirt and grime without stripping away your car's protective wax layer. Pour the recommended amount into a bucket and mix it with water. Then, grab your microfiber wash mitt, available in store or on our online store. Dip your mitt into the soapy water and start washing your car from top to bottom. Work in sections, rinsing your mitt frequently to avoid reapplying dirt onto the car. Remember, gentle circular motions are key. Let the soap do the work, not your elbow grease. Our cars would be going nowhere without them. So let's give our wheels and tires some love. These guys take a beating on the road, so they need a dedicated cleaner. Spray your wheel cleaner on each wheel, one at a time, letting it sit for a few minutes to loosen up brake dust and grime. While the cleaner is doing its magic, grab a stiff bristle brush and scrub the tires to loosen up any dirt. Now, go back to your wheels and use the brush to clean every nook and cranny. Once you're satisfied, rinse thoroughly and move on to the next wheel. Alright, time to dry off this beauty. This step is crucial for avoiding water spots and streaks. Grab yourself a microfiber drying towel. These are absorbent and gentle on your car's paint. Don't use an old bath towel or a t-shirt, as they can leave scratches. Starting from the top, gently drag the drying towel across the surface of your car, letting the towel absorb the water. You might need to wring out the towel a few times as you go. Remember, we're going for a streak-free shine. We're almost there. Now it's time to seal in that shine and protect your car's paint with a good quality wax or sealant. This step is optional, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. Wax and sealants create a protective barrier on your car's paint, protecting it from UV rays, water spots, and even minor scratches. Apply the wax or sealant to a clean microfiber applicator pad and work it into the paint in small circular motions. Let it dry to a haze, then buff it off with a clean microfiber towel. Boom, your car is now sparkling clean and protected. And there you have it. You've officially spring cleaned your car like a pro. Wasn't that easy? Now stand back and admire that shine. Remember, a little car care goes a long way, and everything you need is either on our shelves or through our online store. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. See you in the next video.